Alright, you guys, here's another one of my unidentified table fans. The only thing that I see on it, as far as something that can identify it, is right there on the blade. Hold on, let me try to get some more light on it. Okay. So it says, let me try to zoom. Meier Nu. And down here it says 1957237. So I don't know if that means it was made in 1957 or what. You see that down there. But yeah, I've had this fan for quite some time now, and it just sits on display down in the family room. It's a little 3-speed fan. I say little, but let's see. Let's say it's a 16-inch. Yeah, it's a decent little air mover for sure. I haven't ran it in quite some time. Alright, let's start it out on low. Oh, I remember why I don't use it now. Because that's supposed to be low. Decent pitch on the blade. Looks like it might be a hair out of clock. That's the little switch right here. I don't see anywhere where a tag would have ever been. Alright, let's kick it on high. I mean, the speeds are really like kinda high, high, and super high. Looks good from the back. Alright, let's watch her spin down. Mind you, I haven't touched this fan in years. No oil or nothing. It literally just sits right there on that speaker. But yeah, that was a great spin down. Let's see, I don't remember any startup sounds, but we'll try it. It does actually have a pretty cool wind down sound, or spin down sound. But this had to be like I mean, it's a nice looking fan. It's chrome and everything, but like, look at this. It's like some industrial. Just make it shiny so we can sell it kind of thing. Let's see if there's a startup sound on high. Yeah, I like that. So if anybody knows what kind of fan this is, please let me know.